Alright, there's building 1. And as you can tell, the exterior stairwells are inside of giant bowling pins, which I do like. Anyways, here we are coming up to building number 2 here in the 50s wing at Disney's Pop Century Resort. It's got 50s music playing out here because there's a pool right there that's shaped like a bowling pin. Got a giant record player, looks like. Clearly a 50s thing. And now we're going to ride the elevators here at building number 2. Got more Fujitec elevators with Series M2 button replacements by Otis. At least that lantern works. Let's go to 4. Turbo 4.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Well, thank you so much.
Yeah, anytime.
Have a magical day.
You too, thank you.
Here.
We'll go ahead and go down and get a view of this giant record player. Pretty cool. You can kind of see the pool right behind it. There's your manpower elevator. Get a view of the guest floor in this building. As you can tell, these have exterior corridors. And now we're going to go back down the elevator. I believe these used to have EPCO SSL buttons before Otis came and replaced the buttons with Series M2. And here's the elevator we came up in. I think the right car is broken. Have a good night.
Okay.
We'll go one more time, because like I said, I think the right car is broken. Door close does not work on this set of elevators. And here we're back up at 4. Get your interlock. Get a view of the cat while we're up here. Same as building number 1. Floor indicator, certificate, Series M2 button replacements by Otis. That's the original button right there. Capacity starting 100, this is elevator 1. And now we'll go back down to 1 and end it down there. Got our air freshener in here. The wash button go out. And here we're back at 1. I think I hear the other elevator, so we're going to send this car away. Yep, the other elevator is working. It looks like it's being used right now. Alright, we're going to try and get the ER elevator. It only went up 1 floor. Over here you got your courtesy phone. AED, and there's your directory of the building, and here's the ER elevator. Go to 4. Door close button works in this elevator. We're back up to 4. Now we're back down to 1 and officially end it. Like I said, door close button works in this elevator. This car here seems a bit darker than the R1. Okay, air freshener, floor indicator, certificates, Series M2 button replacements by Otis. This is elevator 2, capacity start at 100. Phone box. Can't tell if it really is a phone box or not. And here we're back at 1. There's your interlock right there. And there it goes. And that'll be it for this building.